Hi, this is Andrew from Team Alfie. This was us at the beginning of the course. We had no idea we'd go from that to this. Our theme was enhanced collaboration, and our first thought was to design vests for the persistences. But after a few rounds of lab exploration and team discussions, we pivoted and decided to build a pinball gaming table, a metaphor for discussion where people throw balls at targets to win the debate. From there, we dove straight into experimenting with persistences, Arduinos, motors, LEDs, breadboards, and structural design. Even though none of us had an engineering background, as you can probably tell. During the first prototype assessment, it was clear the idea was engaging but not interactive enough, since borrowing was the only input, so we knew that we had to improve as we scaled up and dug deeper into the technologies. We used CNC cutting for all the targets, huge shout out to Will for helping us with that, plus hammers, screws, wire soldering, 3D printing, and more. It was chaotic but hilarious, and things turned out surprisingly great. Well, not everything. We did realize we were missing one crucial piece after thinking we were done. Meanwhile, we were also testing voice sensors, switching to more powerful motors, refining the structure, and managing an absolute mess of wiring. But in the end, we had all the LEDs connected to the targets, flippers installed, and the gears turning just in time for the big fight assessment. For the final refinement, we painted the entire table for a consistent look and added semi-transparent cards over the targets to diffuse the lights. Since it's a metaphor for discussion, we redesigned the flippers to represent questions and agreements coming your way. We also moved all the wiring from underneath the table to the top and covered everything with a neat black cloth. And of course, things still went wrong. We expected that. As the exhibition approached, we were all working at full speed, finishing our last bits of preparation. On the exhibition day, we had tons of wild visitors. It was super fun and heartwarming to see people genuinely enjoying our project.
Red meat to the sandwich.
Sorry! I'm really bad at it!
And the teaching team figured out the cheating trick was our belief. We hosted so many rounds of play that day. Despite the gloomy weather, it was absolutely thrilling. We handed out loads of flyers and even had a probe on the wall for real-time feedback. This course has been exhausting, but it's absolutely one of the most amazing journeys ever. Big thanks to our teaching team for all the support and guidance, and a big shout out to my team Alfie for bringing this product to life. Thanks!